Good afternoon, school. It's my pleasure to welcome you to the first full school assembly for 2022. I'd just like to take a moment to acknowledge the staff who behind the scenes are working so hard to ensure that we can live stream and record all these events. And I'd like to acknowledge the student body for your patience. I know it's taking a little while to get things up and running, but we're looking for the most effective way to do this going forward. So thank you. It's appropriate that our first item for this year is the presentation of our school leaders. I'd like to invite Mr. Mitchell to the stage.
Tēnā koutou. Today I'd like to introduce our new team of senior and school prefects. One of the college's main aims is to develop a strong sense of citizenship in our students through well-developed leadership and community service programs. We attempt to offer many opportunities for students to take on leadership roles, and our students' leadership journey culminates at Year 13, where we have a 3-tier prefect system: senior prefects, school prefects, and house prefects. It is my pleasure today to announce this year's head boy, head girl, and 5 deputy head prefects. I'll ask them to come forward to receive their respective badges and ties from the headmaster. Unfortunately, you won't be able to shake hands due to COVID restrictions, but after having done so, I'll ask the head boy and head girl to read the names of the remaining senior and school prefects, who will also come forward to receive their badges and ties from the headmaster. The head girl will announce this year's senior prefects. The head boy will then announce this year's school prefects. So without further ado, this year's 5 deputy head prefects are Lou Shirley, Marion Bruce House, Paris Wither, Middlemore, Eddie Holdsworth, Selwyn, Adam Wong, Marsden, and Diego Gerbich-Pice, Averill. Our head girl for 2022 is Ellen Esdale, Taylor, and head boy for 2022, Nick Tapper, Greenbank.
Heads of houses. Head of school, Angus Cook. Head of St. John's, Hugo Coe. Head of Parnell, Mattia Cotterill. Head of Selwyn, John T. Willis. Head of Middlemore, Indra Pasquale. Head of Averill, William Tingey. Head of Marsden, Cole Barfoot. Head of Major, Josh Hargrave. Head of Pet, Toby Tasker. Head of Greenbank, Lockie Palmer. Head of Taylor, Tiana Brown. And Head of Marion Bruce, Michaela Hawley. Additional Senior Prefect, Bailey Leo Averill. Senior Sacristans, Summer Shapiro Taylor. TJ Runson Rowley, Marion Bruce. Joshua Banfield Major, and William Tisdall Marsden.
School prefects from Schoolhouse, Hatham Amua and Roman Randall. From St. John's, Hal Licky and Tani Henwood. Parnell, Carl Wallace. Selwyn, Monty Anderson. Major, Max Robinson. Piatt, Jack Trussler. Taylor, Izzy Brown. And Marion Bruce, Lulu Lance.
We have a total of 34 senior and school prefects to begin this year, and there will be further promotions during the course of the year to enhance this already strong prefect body. Apologies to Izzy Chaplin for that was my mistake on my note that I made end of last year. I picked that up, but obviously stitched Nick up by giving him the wrong one. Please join me once again in congratulating the team on their appointments and to wish them every success in their important roles for the year ahead.
Congratulations to all those school leaders. I'm confident that 2022, despite its start, is going to be a great year and our student body is going to be in extremely capable hands.